everybody, it's Lady Led. I'm out getting ready to do some planting, but first I just wanted to take a moment, take this video to kind of respond to your questions about what these are that we've planted in. When I did the video about my broccoli, y'all were asking like, where did I get the tray that they're in? Okay, well, these are actually not planters. They're actually cement mixing trays. Okay, but so far they have been the best planters that we have used. We get them from Home Depot. I like this large one. It's 2 feet by 3 feet and it's about 8 or 9 inches deep, something like that. These are the smaller ones. I believe they're 2 feet by 1.5 feet, and they're not quite as deep. They might be 6 inches deep, maybe. But those I think we got for around $5. These maybe a little bit more. I can't remember. I don't remember it being more than $10. So I'm going to show you how I use them and why I think they're the best planting trays ever. But first, y'all, bear with me while I tidy up a bit. Not perfect, but at least I can work now. All right, now that I got my trays ready, we can talk about what I'm gonna put in them. Okay, so I've got some turnips inside that I started at the end of January, and they have grown really big. And so I need to get them in something bigger, but at the same time, I also wanna make some more room in my grow tent. So if I can get those out and put them outside, I can start some more seeds in there. Plus, I'll be giving them the room that they need to grow. The other great thing about these trays is that they are mobile. If you notice that something's not growing well, like it's not getting enough sun, you can move it. You can move it to another place. That's the great thing. Yeah, definitely time to get these turnips into something bigger. Look at this. Roots coming out the bottom. Definitely time to get these outside. I do not want to stunt their growth. Oh. All right, y'all. I'm finally ready to get these turnips in the dirt, right? But I want to make sure I plant them so they have enough space, because I'm not just interested in eating the greens. I actually want to get some turnips. So that means I really have to pay attention to spacing and make sure I give them enough room. So I wanted to show you something that's really cool about these cement mixing trays that I'm using. Along the edges, there are measurements. It literally shows you 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch. I need to give my turnips 6 inches apart. So this is good because now I'm not just relying on my eyeballs, but I'm actually going to give them the space that they need for real. So with that said, before I get going, I'm actually going to just place them so I can see how many turnips I'm actually going to get in this particular pot. So it looks like I should be able to get 8 turnips in here. right, so I got all the turnips that I have to plant for now. I've got some more seeds in there started. I've got some purple tops. But for now, these are the ones that I feel safe enough putting outside. So I've got a couple extra spots. I'm gonna fill it up with some spinach that I finally got to sprout, and one lonely red mustard green plant that I'm gonna put in here. I'm putting my spinach on each end. Give everything some water. All right, y'all, that's it for my turnips for now. We'll see how they turn out. I will certainly keep you posted. All right, so it's Lady Led, and I'm out. If you end up using these cement mixing trays, you let me know how they work out for you. Let me know if you're using this ruler on the side and how it's working out for you. All right. Thanks for watching.